Ready to transform your real estate listing nightmares into a streamlined dream? Let's dive into Kvcore and master the art of managing your listings. Starting with adding a new property from your Kvcore dashboard, click on the Listings tab located on the left-hand side of your screen. Next, you'll see a prominent Add Listing button. Usually near the top right corner, give that a click. This will open the listing creation form. Now, it's time to populate the form with all the essential property details. This includes the address, listing price, property type, number of bedrooms and bathrooms, square footage, lot size, and a detailed description. Make sure you provide accurate and compelling information to attract potential buyers. High-quality photos are crucial. Locate the photo upload section and select the best images of the property. Drag and drop or browse your files to add them. Be sure to order them strategically to showcase the property's best features first. Have a virtual tour? Great! Kvcore allows you to easily integrate virtual tour by adding the link in the designated field. This will give prospective buyers an immersive experience from the comfort of their homes. Kvcore's syndication settings are key to maximizing your reach. Scroll down to the syndication options to ensure your listing is being distributed to major real estate portals like Zillow, Trulia, and Realtor.com. You can customize which portals receive your listing based on your preferences. Need to make edits to an existing listing? Simply find the listing in your Kvcore dashboard, click on it, and select the edit option from here. You can adjust the price, update the description, change the status to pending or sold, or add new photos. Keep your listings organized by using tags or categories. This allows you to easily filter and search for specific properties based on location, property type, or other relevant criteria. And that's it. By following these steps, you'll be well on your way to mastering Kvcore listing management, saving time, and attracting more buyers. Now you can get back to what you do best.